information integrity ewo pari eno day na odi eho enkomo na eno yentie nsema o
to win the global war against misinformation and disinformation. We leave this conference reminded that disinformation is not an abstract issue. It is shaping elections, it distorts public health response, it fuels conflicts and undermines the fight against climate change. A decade after the Paris Accord, falsehood continues to erode public confidence in science and policy. If we're to build a sustainable planet, we must also make an informed public. Likewise, the dawn of artificial intelligence has transformed the information landscape. While AI offers immense opportunities for innovation, it also amplifies the risk of misinformation and economic disruption. Deep fakes, synthetic media, and algorithmic manipulation are reshaping what our societies perceive to be the truth. Our collective task must therefore be to harness AI responsibly, to promote transparency, and to ensure that technological progress strengthens rather than undermines public trust.
Okay. The health ministry is cracking down on hospitals engaging in illegal co-payments, pay or die.
To the public very, very honest with the committee is the issue of co-payment, where in some cases when you go to some facilities, though you have the National Health Insurance card, some of the facilities will be asking you to pay more. We have not completely dealt with that, but plans are far in advance. We have stakeholders engagement. It has come up strongly, and so I will allow the CEO to throw light on the strategies we are adopting, what we are doing at the moment to deal with the issue of co-payment. CEO.
Thank you, Chair, and thank you, Honourable Minister. So as Honourable Minister said, there were a few issues that were bringing this up. The irregular payments, which now we're paying monthly. The service and medicines tariffs have been reviewed. The medicines tariffs are now realistic and have been in place since March this year. The service tariffs will be implemented in a few months after Honourable Minister and the board approve it. The third one is that even despite us doing this, as what has been mentioned, some of the facilities have people who still collect monies and they call it co-payment or top-ups. We've set up a committee to deal with this, and we have a strict sanctions regime. So once we are also doing our part, paying regularly and paying realistically, as soon as we realize that these facilities are collecting monies which they term co-payments, which are illegal payments, we will apply those sanctions that are in our law, and it could include getting them off this scheme, which is a very important scheme. So we want to actually also name and shame. For example, I want to put it on record that Goso Hospital, they have clearly stated that they will not allow top-ups, and they are implementing that. So we are encouraging the hospitals, and there are quite a number of them, we are encouraging the hospitals that have put this in place, and we will sanction those that are doing.
Okay, and no yebedi hun commande pa hospitals are okay. Na ya said ama network a breaki na uko pharmacy na ukutuetua ni nyina awie a actually yesi network aba sa akwaje adrubra na akwaje adru akoma nurse ni akomya oho se sa adru no omuton so mo yedai yetima otonsuo se edisiu papa so o maame so yetima tonsuo be 10 ye di 3 sin so na ne hoto no 7 no ye refund ma o. The next time on the Obeba no so you kotonsu a you ma twa no I say no mu bo lokum hospital ha hey ye be di hun komo former National Service Authority Director General OSSB granted 800 million bail by Accra High Court and etwa go no so ubedi post ana be huna mane ni ubedi post ana na o be do wa na 800 million bail there o committee 800 million bail now we so dey nya yoko na do too so e court 800 million the other day. 800 million. 500 million. The assembly of 500 million. Sheer wickedness is on your part.
You call it sheer wickedness. Oh my, yeah, me I'm right because me
it is allegation. It's alleged. And to proving guilty.
Alleged 500 million.
And to be an alleged or the ejuma.
Alleged is over the ejuma. And alleged Abia when you be was so.
Former Buffer Stock CEO Hanan Abdul Wahab also granted 100 million bail with 6 sureties. Hanan Suway. Only see canon in number 200, 300. She says, yeah, the toast what? And the wife's 50 million. Only the wife, Nedam Hono.
Some of these arrests, a couple, one in the end of our
and you see a couples retreat. And the Ayan will court was this year. So, first, no, a man who's so not Beman until you catch us say. Attorney General, we catch us say, who kunu na Yamano position
for
Enkohanum commanding Kotoba
for every successful man, there is what?
A woman.
And for every support or alleged
every thief, there's another woman. Alleged thief. There's also a woman. Every successful thief, there is a successful woman. Tiawa.
Na kutasa bebu no. Ehiafo no so ma ware na. Every I would say to every successful man there is a woman no. Ehiafo no so ma ware no so e. Behind every poor man,
every failed man there's a woman.
There's a wicked woman.
Behind every poor man,
there is a wicked woman.
There is a wicked woman. Oh, okay.
And behind every successful man,
there's
a kind woman.
And a good man.
Yes, almost say man is not just any woman, a virtuous woman.
Are you?
And who beman here now? Who so? No, we should accept it. Now, Papa Badia, you see successful man. There is a woman. Now, what about a failed man?
We want to imagine one say, to every successful man, there is a woman there. Then you hear for no so ma ware no.
There is a wicked woman. There's a bad woman. Alano me ohano mo go fa ayi bre me. Is it not to asemi ya ko pass mama you.
Agutara men
defense ayi na ye ko.
There be o say ayi omunsu no. Dia gofo dia tem ya go aba. Birthday say
konsuo na bo hina.
Yeti abi ka se me konsuo.
Na ko birthday. Na ko tamu ma rewo ma mu fie mu ma me ne mo papa ewu agya mo. Na mo tete wo be mo.
Akwa na ono no kai no also obi pese o pre otuma. Blogger now, yeah, you know. Also, of all the issues in Ghana that we have deliberating about, look at so-called learned journalists, what they have chosen to discuss.
Yes.
It's our caption that down. Oh, for what did you crank call?
Omodi ya wa matema na omodi.
Yeah, now we are so.
Omodi ya tema entemra na beba. So be content no. Obefa na wasa amanfo be di atema. Mo nyina se be.
Anya sam kito.
Because some man come see your friend say.
E don so ya.
Se si ano. Your friend season where your friend ko yi wa no wa him. Uno yire. Now me feel say it's a good thing. Previous in all the
Osesi be so way. What you wa man here? Where do you wa man no?
Ya tell me. Osesi be yire no.
Osesi be waware.
There some now.
Oh, there be some who na yire in public space. So akota ti sentina me be say. Jakota we harmless.
There be harmless but and there may be one musa.
O say obi wo ha me hu Osesi bebe di mayor Kumase. Me hu no say public event bi man te so say Osesi be ware.
There are people who keep a private life when it comes to their family.
It's na akota me bu say. I would say me bu say o da say Justin Kodua Frimpong waware.
Yeah,
ɛna ɔmo kyerɛ sɛ waware ɔma
na bi
sɛ wohu ne yere.
Yes.
They keep their wives away.
Officer.
So
me no baby say.
But Uncle says so see tipping on
if
there was a successful woman or
please. That is where we draw the curtain. You draw the line. No more discussion on that. Mr. Fire guts China City Mall. Destroys goods and buildings. Rigged everything to the ground. What actually transpired and what happened, we cannot tell. A dynasty China Mall. Edikan the oyena to omo yese flood be fa ho. Ensuo be fa dem ho nyina. Asase na wo ho no. Eye nsuo kwan. Oba kai se asase we ya no mo gi firi odike nsem.
Ko se do odike.
Oh, say
abrogu ho no ka se agro.
Yeah. Odike na bobu dia.
There be me nka me nia odike papa me nia pe.
Armed forces condemn soldiers attack. Now, some video be a chegu. Say military officer be called a pharmacy. Now, minima sema a kai. A before be about was see what masum video no na motion. Now, minim I'm just a man wrong drago. Say dear you. Or say a drone the way man bought it. Omo the man say
65 cities.
The way my 65 cities. Now pharmacy be the whole bitch ma 30. Share. The other coin the crown no try so be protect again so to ayi ni moku bono na osako board your one so
could share the need to see all your code right
send that lady no him oh yes na lady no recording no the lady was videoing him and a man need before be to send no so and na the no so osako bro no na mpacho papa no or don't price control Ghana see you ana
adwuma bia no man senka fi bia a mental evaluation adwuma wa Ghana be no mental evaluation afi bia o se ye na ne me be we sia na adwuma won ti ase
okay
mental evaluation say you
because adiana papa no ye da bi o na pacho say edro board ya
edro bia woni bo di we man yo ahu ahodo bebrebe di okọ
ya zentel ya wo vermox me bo a
yo pe bia na wato
e bia wo be hwe no ya wo dro bi ha local ni boy 20 cities yaw antibiotics zenith augmentin any other drugs bi ho no ma wo be hwe no na Pfizer for the board thing chain e bia Rocco say why Roca for Ebu free Germany, Ebu free India, the same drug, but price differential. So why do you go and beat somebody?
I always say my woman say the banner usuma so on koto di we mamra no. Wan kire na dukun a on konkoto. O discard man so on koto di we ma. Now the man so on koto di we ma no abedru drug so a. So almost be so on be ma wadru eye papa.
And according to a pharmacist, no say, oh, ne ba ye no. Obusan say papa say beto de no si duwema. O say to de because you 40 cedis, you 50 cedis, you 65 cedis. And ne ba say o 65 cedis. Na ne papa say on top papa. According to
asa.
Ade no de oyima no. O de call ya hours time now de aba say, o papa say on fa dronum na ne board. No say, eh, na drum me yam a wo de akofie akoto fie.
How would I even know say?
You don't know what temper drone na said here. It's a catcher papa say.
The problem
no.
And because I am military man.
When is the vice is about to
WO1 Mensa.
WO1 Mensa. Send no go chino.
Yeah.
No, I'm the only statement about to do.
Mamene DO2. DO2 Peter Day. Ose course no ba no so do.
Oh, this is Peter Day. Why?
And I nya no aye so ya kasa tete. DO2 bomode na wa ne no kasa. Sompa de body no wa unim. The OSP Ebiu Kedoforiata orchestrated the handwriting. Wait.
Oh my.
Atlantic
incorporation. She's right. Maybe I will try come and appropriate. No, I said, why is it the Chief Justice?
Why is the Chief Justice? Okay. Make a sebio. Kisia Jame reveals that there was no established financial management or verification system in place to ensure that the public was receiving value for the payment of SMG Ghana Limited. Strategic mobilization, SM, and semi buy or send BB any hosa. You see, on also than a president.
Assumed office as the minister.
Gentlemen, Mammy shall say for a jabbing, and some of that proceed. What's I would hold on, Jai. Your boss 7:30 I didn't make us.
Oh my mammy nasi na me China more shina asina sika susuru pa na ejiregu we investment lifetime investment will be a boka kesi pa na nra me pikin tell be say na yesi fire hydrant ni baby a ben honum baby a fire service ebetumi a resort to na nka omotumi anya nsu di ababe den e di ababe dum sai jayi ya nti ene adehie je say ahye nko an ye kwa akoto ayo hosem na enra no na me bisa me ho say ye kosi such buildings no e di asisi mia baby a ya assembly no e ma permit na assembly no nim say baby a ye kwa kosi dan ye residential anase baby a ye kwa kosi dan no eye say ye see factory bi anase big warehouses ya ebetumi akonteni nioma na se ebetumi a build this anema yi bi edi asisi ho a ye mbisa ye ho se ekwan da ho se ja to ho a ye betumi anya kwan edi akọ fire hydrant ebe ho town and country planning or mo plans a hodo o mo ye di to nka so no e makwan se ye si sa industrial buildings no ho a
no town and country planning omo
se adwuma de hiom no mo ye
yaw
town
country planning you almost staff ne workers
hey
there no mo masia
Parks and Gardens kurase o Parks and Gardens o
ai tua keska
akota wo fa yi ache
pasolo hoside
pasolo ties nche ho no omo still gusu na ese green grass no eyinim
is it open no
na okwa no ebi akotobi na de ebi all the flowers na kosisi ufie
Parks and Gardens.
Akuta Parks and Gardens so.
And a town and country planning.
Town and country. Omo office no way you.
And the town and country no omo planning town they no planning.
Omo juma mo nya so we are for adjuma na you.
No, I'm asking question. Yes, be bu o manim te.
My legitimate question.
What are they planning?
Kumasi city no more planning.
This city we plan.
That's the big question. And what I may drive or urban because I was say you
Kumasi is in a total mess.
Yes.
A doom and we have town and country planning.
Yes.
Say oh my no question town.
I had to say PWD. PWD first wo Public Works Department.
Abia obo hu so gugu sa PWD demonstration be yetia na Ghana railway
for ground. Railway for there was staff on no nebo so me so o jacket ya wo Ghana railway.
When you for na juma this will retire.
So these are the questions a beg say you bisa. Say town and country planning normal planning side the ho no no say side ho your residential side ho e betumi asi fast a factory ho side ho e betumi asi more ho side ho no e allowed say sanema ye de ko ho and sakwa nanka assembly na hunu say town and country planning na ye dey anim no kire say bia ye ya akwakosi China mo yi it's not allowed.
I know the Ejako, I will hold brief for them.
Omanhene bi asase na ase panimu bi anyina.
KMA4
asase.
Any politicians the asase ama China near or no time country planning no. A regional director to me.
Oma reasoning o na ye reasoning no.
So you see.
O man na form so be ko you reasoning.
Debio.
Abi.
Yeah, come masem. But yeah.
The man nya juma.
Na asase na da ho no no. Regional minister.
Aye hot cake.
KMA chief executive. Regional chairman. Won betimi akabom say ye de ama ya boama. Ya koye bibia ya friend land spending. Regional boss. Ye wo adwuma mano. Wanye wo ha na efiri nkran ya ka cho say ye you. Ya de wa municipal. Akurasi baby na ya akoto hye. Wo Ashanti region lands boss. Ye say ya de house wo nye. Eno tie won never be wa politicians no. Afa
Atiki.
Uko blame town country pa na lands for ko nye.
Because how that we see a CC, I was a fire service for crown, so any oversight responsibility of it say a dana year kwakusino for safety purposes. Ihiasi ekosisi because the last time be
ayako eho ye nsuom tu
very well.
And ya feel it
very well because we had the last time be na many fire service pe nipa bi kasa o ka kire ma meti ase say ayako nka dan kro wu kosi a I was a fire service involved near say a dan no anim no was a wo de hwe na say ekoba say emframa bi fa na sefo a ubo edan na de anim no hwesi ya frama na entumi empadan no so sa like me need din komo extensively ya e kire se nka sa ne mai ni adan ni industries ni factories yi nyina see a they should involve this fire personnel because obona say assemble say cream ya be from so omonko it also mu say babia wo kwakosi dan we no ya fire hydrant wo ho a big warehouse, a big mall. And unti a hot no man say fire hydrant in your no position it here. Sebaya kobasa simbi bar. You bet me a Russia by Dumino. But to say or buy no more quack phone to from to say, baby, obi a benyani sikano. Just a no now uko pay sikano man into baby or baby no quack seen die. And nobody is becoming the watchdog for Sanya Mayina. And I just say funtum frams ye si no ne ye se no nti se ye to baby se flood e ko baby se de na esi baby abehun se na wo mo te ho nyina na de omoko we've not put in safety measures gugu akwemu ye de protected memufo
okay
enyuma hodo
Azante
o ma me ya na pe men ko very controversial ground speaker I brata ni SMA ni papa ni kisi jawe eni kwan se yen kase bia ye kise jame nko ho oman no kra ni se o se MPP ni na ado bomode no mu nyina abo ado fura tabagana
why
na ado eni MPP nyina no kra ni se oman he fi se Ghana baji ye beye oman even from 1957 ye gi independence ye finance minister bia ni wa wi a wakwatro bi ma so o ma mebu akonde
so it's the first time
me ba o de ma me kan you first time be ba emra but me can say you see o hwe di na o mo kan ho asem na ofrata ya kam ya to no so ya agi atum na ye wo gi are ho me gi o ma ye to dada aboni bia nim o mo meka so o mo boka na wo gwagwa SML ababa ba attack say o mo bo agege eto ama gi are agege over more than 100 million Ghana cedis sika na ye hu do de ye na MPP anase na de to say ase emfa ne ho na omwa also for fun fan say bra after all a base enquire beto so be 300
they go Asante na do for fun brother why are you talking as this
na so na point nya na do anke ni for ata nya na do anke ni for ata debi
ye kwachi na do ye ka chena na do produce
debio ma dey make an say na planning 2 minutes academy for ata so on for nya adwuma on his behalf na for ata go try baby pa abo for ata say dey o man no emfa no oheni yo
yeah why
oheni yo
said them tamakro be see ya jailing no what is so be so ma pedi jo ma go fa
o man debio said nam dey mpo dey o me make an say regards to the pedigree of ata and said nam difference wo finance minister there
finance minister
what you be o man sika say we go travel chire at force so nya ready yeah that be I know so go travel china is it a very good president yesterday
my issue is this e was a Ghana for so timi dey na si from say oforiata
What brethren? Who be biya no?
The Attorney General.
The bag pon e bon say you ya where?
Yes, you be over there.
Omo che no Furata Nanda.
Furata no, you people don't know. Some investigation shows say as Okuta.
Opese
American
is in the process.
Okuta there.
American citizens.
Do that be ya.
I don't even be finance minister.
There be yire no.
Say na yire ni ye broni.
No there.
Any son na tell dey na do as so maka say o me so me go.
Finance minister dey we minister.
We ya gu kom na masa dey. Any mo bia
MP7 na ya na adwene wo ho. Ministers ni bebre kuta dual citizen.
Ese etwam.
Na kuta say omo convert him ye buse buse omo sansem.
Say ya say constitution ma kwan ya na.
Say obedi minister na we dual citizen.
MP na untumi o representative. Say MP elected. Executive ni dey we dual citizen na any problem o.
Sir, kuta okay Sir John, the late Sir John.
The late Sir John,
Say President Kofoma an appointment be
GMPC.
No, as deputy minister for either interior or local government. Obe convert na a poppy up say Okuta. Do as Okuta say American passport we say.
And to me owning itself. We
We
will check it. But me the minimum say on say elected positions. And mostly say there no a poppy up.
Okay.
Minim say bia minister na say CEO no ni ade and no so come one.
Na do mo de no for no for assemble.
You are appealing to
I'm humbly appealing to
now you are talking
that he should try
because as much as he can.
A very big damning revelation on his governance. Say e bin see that Kwame Nkrumah na say bi o etu no dwan ko secretary Guinea. Apart from no any ministers obia bedi ministry ya minister otra omemu obia nwane na wadwane ya from January sa besi October yi November
November on the final operation
ofrata de
obedi na de setekwe no obedi na de na setekwe su bedi kwabnado fo ade na mebo
yes
na Commando force
bedi
and na ku for the time
prosper bani bi be show
prosper bani koye as interior minister
na say fence
after setekwe say proprietor
or can connect
na me can come
say fence Commando for no any on banyiku for time na abako
after commando for na setekwe abayo
David what can connect
on say Kwabnado for na Tafu MP.
No
deputy.
The late
Banredu.
And I used to di kakra
Osafumafu Banredu and Tafu MP.
Aye.
Ono so
I obedi kakra.
Last hour
Banredu etoye no.
And Rollins time call Kwampe Pramo. And it's Solomon Mone.
Victor Salome.
Professor Boakye.
Professor Boakye is the longest serving finance minister.
That's what we know Ghana.
Ghana. Now if he chooses to stay abroad, I'm how there. Get over your tower, Ghana.
Okay.
Victor Salome de nyame fa ne crancy.
Yes, I said. The last time
finance minister sing now. Kenoporata has chosen to stay abroad.
And you obedi Ghana so the na high na deba we in the high.
E ba cho ushia na no obusa no.
I said red alert in the only be man Ghana ni be
Ya ma Ghana for red alert. Ushia Yawe. Ushia America say Gama here Ghana.
Me akoja say me na America na say me mine kokoko mu ya.
Back up ye do boko. Wa dwuma abako ya no.
Me ko we ke do for anta Ghana. Mate.
Ya wa tio.
Akoja on Kwenofriata di ya ni sikasema yedi hu nkomo ye. Me hu se be as 2 days ago, 3 days ago, starting komo bi enra. So one o panel no edi san komo no. Na me fa angewe. Akunta yegitum. Ye finance minister ni Bank of Ghana governor yegitum. Dollar na bafom, inflation na bafom. But akunta and reflect it in our local economy.
Yeah.
And reflect it ewe ye butum kra. And reflect it ewo ya sitinem ni bibia ni adanse ye say ye dollar na free akotomu som na say 14 cedis
14.7
a free 40
as at January 7th
January 7th dollar na ye 14.7 and a bear 4 cities. I mean, funny, sir.
Free so 4 cities, 50 pesos.
Free so,
which is very huge.
Very huge, pa. It's a contanke, nay, ye cane, and ka bottle water. I ton organa has say, medium one, no. Your turn say 5 cities, so say 4 cities, no. I could buy 2 cities, 50 pesos, and I say, Ebia, a West 3 cities. But the omo catch the say dollar at yaba form inflation. Form near inflation, say, single digit, and I think 9.5. But I couldn't and reflect ya sitting into finance minister, at forcing almost war force Emma dollar ne etetiaba from no akunta onke kan ho ontua contractors ne ka ontua state institutions no a awose ye de sika ko they should spend anya sa akunta ye to sa
it becomes artificial the moment you begin to spend then
but akunta say dollar nti wo de won spend na wo be chichiri sika ni nyina de agu o office wo finance ministry na release this can no ma contractors release ma e dia na akunta ne ekoya na se buy obi anchiri ntose
and because of the goodwill of the new government people are not
yentimi nkan we
and no say and sikapa contractors ne tigu kwan so
yes
na iron rods ne wan ne to we na 7 ne ade a sikapa system ni so say I say uju akatia and nothing is working
never can say yawe on say say reductions we buy na eh for expert to pa na titom ne ma so
no
for no ade
and akota so hwe so a the ama say me blame Ghana for no say akota dollar no se tie no eniama ye imported ba Ghana nyina no automatically unse ni pa the dollar and yes our transactions no obedu port to the dollar no and be sa transactions enti automatically you who say so ete but they produce no Ghana to say insu ayenom virtually Ghana 99% of insu ayenom pure water ne bottle water no you produce ni nyina wa ha akotamudu do say ne yate ne boso yanko state institutions akonta some me kwa birth set and can now you say dollar so ate inflation so ate no more state institutions charges any ade no and can inflation ne your dollar so ate no it should start from them so me could district assembly be na say me ko ne charge me say bia o say utua 1 cedi for this me here krata bia oh say niam so ate e bia e so ate from 2 cedis
so bia 1 cedi 50 ya say 75
so no
say so ate dollar so ate inflation so ate there ne e can this say homra ni we nyina na say local economy no Ghana ni no enfilia ne yetete wo sa na kotahwe sadie bi nurses be 7,000 se teacher for 6,000 bia yesi aban betuo muka ontuo muka ene de no akota me and down place adie no these are young boys and young girls akota young men omna spending on the be hu atade ene fe obeto on the be
so much by end of November
but asanti
when you pay workers at the youth that generation
yes that youthful generation
goes on
omna spending
almost spend you
pa
obakoto jeans obakoto dress obakoto shoe
obahu bibia
ene fe azante ebo I was this year how many times on no obako boutiques so kwaya shop
you sika o ma for 50,000 me taste best service here asema na o kan
the man say you pay for
me fa chomini sa me fa okay we want to take me to an unacceptable position in my life for my 50,000 mo now I say for say kwa me ayi mo pempeni no mo omo use say yes mo so almost
akwata no de eni mo eni anope de akwata no nya adwene
all right okay
and we go there
by reason of concourse in the house the bench oh mama gasa
akwata we mighty minority
the bench has withdrawn a statement and I apologize
oba mi sikeke se mi ha de
we go boni sisters of me sikenti
awuja for not home